Imani Lee Beauty, and in today's tutorial I will be showing you how I snatch my face. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how I highlight, contour, all that. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how I be Photoshop ready. Okay. But yes, I'm going to be showing you how I snatch my face and how I just do my regular foundation application, contour, highlight, all that. I'm not going to be doing eyes. It's all about the face today, so I'll probably do another video on how I do like a quick, easy smoky eye, but that would be in another video. But today we worry about the face, so let's get right into it. I already primed my face. Like I said in the last video, I'll be linking all the products that I use in the description down below. So let's get right into it. I'll be doing my brows. And I am going to be using a brow gel. The last video I used a brow pencil because I typically go for like a natural look, but because this is going to be a snatch look, honey, gotta use a product that's going to snatch the brows, okay? All right, let's get into it. All right, now let's go in with some concealer and conceal these brows. I'm going to probably go in with a lighter concealer today, just so that we can snatch them. But not too light. Probably gonna put the lighter on the outer corner, so that I can give it like a nice highlight. And then I'm gonna go in with my regular concealer right here. So next I'm going to take my concealer that's kind of like my complexion, and I like to go under my eyes just to like kind of like conceal any dark marks or any bags that I have. All right, next I'm gonna go on with my foundation stick. Now I don't like to use a lot of foundation, so yeah, if you like a lot of foundation, like I don't use a full coverage foundation because my skin isn't that bad, and I kind of still like to look like natural but still snatched. So I don't really like to use a full coverage foundation. I don't even think I own a full coverage foundation. I do want one, but then again I don't, because I just don't use full coverage. Important when you're blending out your under eye that you want to look up so that the product can get up under your eye and you don't crease. And then I also like to put it on top of my eyelid as well, so it's like this is my shit. I don't care if I get copyrighted, but now we're gonna go in and set the under eye. Now I don't like to bake, but I do press it into my skin and let it sit for a little bit, and then I dust off whatever's left over. Alright, now we're gonna start contouring. Whenever I contour, like I kind of like suck in my face a little to kind of see where my cheekbone is, so that I can like kind of like chisel it out. I just like to use my beauty blender and kind of like blend that in. And then I'm gonna take my translucent powder and kind of clean up under my contour to make it a little bit more sharp. Then we're gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm gonna go in with my pressed powder and kind of like wipe off where I put the powder at. So you see how it's still like natural but still snatched. Now I'm gonna go in with a little darker of a contour powder just to deepen my contour just a little bit, not too much. Cause I kind of like that bronzy look, that like summer glow but in the winter. Yeah, that's what I like. I'm gonna take that other brush that I used to contour with at first to blend it in a little. So whenever I contour my nose, I don't like to contour it too much. I just, you know, give it back its shape and its color. I don't like snatch it like how I used to when I first started doing makeup, but you know, I just do it like that and keep it moving. Now, if you don't know how to or like lashes, you could just use mascara for this look as well. But today I'm gonna put on lashes because it's a beat look. Like, you gotta have lashes, especially if like if I don't feel like wearing eyeshadow. I'm definitely gonna do a dramatic lash. That's just that. Period. On poo. Okay. But for the people that don't know how to do lashes or don't like lashes, you can just wear mascara and it still be cute, natural, but still be okay. But I'm extra. I need the lash. Okay. Cause my little lashes is stingy. Like, my natural lashes are very, very stingy, and I don't like that. So. Okay, honey. Okay, that face is coming together. Honey. What? And the lashes is not even on yet. Okay. So, oh, lashes. Duh. My dumb ass. The lashes. I'm dumb. I said I was going to do a dramatic lash. I done pulled out the most naturalist little lashes ever. But that's okay, because it's still a lash. So don't judge. Don't judge, okay? But if you wanted to, you could definitely do a dramatic lash. I don't know where my dramatic lashes are at. They're a little little messy. It's a little messy around here. But I'm going with these lashes right here. Still cute. I like them. They're longer than my real lashes. See, lash, no lash, lash, no lash. Like, what? Put that lash on, girl. I need me a lash. I love me a lash. It's necessary. Let's go with a brown under eye. Well, an eyeliner. I've never done that before. Let's try it out. I don't see the difference. I guess maybe it's not that dark. What y'all think? It's still cute. I got some liner in my eye. To highlight. Girl, why you doing it to them like that? I don't know. But yes, honey, you got to highlight that face, okay? Get that brow bone. So that when you in a club and in a duck, you raise that brow like what? And that thing start to sparkling. Oh, he know to back off, okay? Like what? You see that? Like what? I don't know if I could get this one to do it. Nope, just this one. Well, just this one. I can raise my eyebrow. Y'all see that? That thing is sparkling, honey. Yes. So I walked on the hallway. They can't say nothing. Oh, oh, oh. And there you have it. Had to go put on the hoops. Cause you know, honey had to slay. Thank you so much for watching my video on how I snatch my face. Let me know in the comments below if I snatched it or not. I think I snatched it. I don't care what y'all say. But yes, this face is snatched and I have nowhere to go. So, but thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.